What are they really talking about here? Of course, it's classified. I like to interpret the secret space program as something a little bit different than they may be referring to. But as far as the non-secret space program, we now have a Space Force. We know
that's true.
It's just an agency.
Yeah, it did happen.
Space Force. So what do we want to deliver to the Space Force? Well, we talked about this space bus, this Space DC3, this vehicle that will take off and land vertically, go back and forth to the moon on a regular basis. It won't have any problem re-entering the atmosphere. It will probably have some sort of shielding device to protect it from micrometeoroids. It will probably be built...
Or the field itself does that.
It will be built of foam metal sandwich structures. So really what you've just talked about here with the Navy patents, with the Ken Shoulders technology, with all of this, is a pathway whereby you can say, oh, this commercial technology is completely viable, and yes, it will be built. The difference being that people are able to participate, they can buy it, they can have one in their hangar, and they can go to space. And the big question you got to ask yourself, and this is a question many people ask, of course, is how does this Navy patent really apply to me? If they're building this secret vehicle, if the Air Force has a sixth-generation fighter, well, how does that really benefit me? I can't see it. I can't ride in it. They probably aren't, I love to go to air shows, but they're not going to give me a ride in an F-35, no matter how much I beg, And so these are vehicles that you can get a ride in. And so that's, the neat thing about the DC-3, as I mentioned before, is it was a dual-purpose vehicle. It started out as a civilian aircraft and became repurposed as a military transport, the C-47. Right. So that's the goal here. You start out as commercial, and then you repurpose it as a military vehicle.